Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review this headband wig right here. This wig is from Aliexpress. I got it for $109. So basically this is a $100 wig, guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to get baby hairs on 4C hair. It's 26 inches. It reaches me under my boob, stretched. And it took a month to come, but it's $100, so it's kind of worth it that it took a month. But just keep in mind that it takes a month. Anything from AliExpress takes forever, and that shit is annoying. But it's worth it. The company is called Abijale. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. It's either Abijale, Abijale, I don't know. But it says Abijale curly wave headband wig, human hair, Brazilian deep wave machine, made wigs with headband, no glue, scarf. Yeah, you know how these people be writing stuff on AliExpress. Like they don't know English, you know, obviously they don't know English as well as we do. So you gotta kind of give them a bly for that. But yeah, it took a month to come. And when it came with these. So it came with two of these right here. This is just a cap. It's not my color, as you can see, but it gets the job done because no one's seen it anyways. And it came with this ugly hairband. It's not that ugly. I mean, I'd wear it, but it's just, there's only so much you can wear it with, right? So this is the pattern right here. Like I said, this has absolutely no product. The hair has very minimal shedding. I will definitely recommend this company. I've had it for about a week and I've been wearing it on and off for about that same time. And it responds really well to product. If I spray it now, this just has a little bit of leave-in conditioner and water. And I think some oil. So I probably shouldn't be doing this right now, but let's do it. Just so you guys can see what I'm saying. This product, this hair is fire. It literally doesn't even need leave-in conditioner with how fire it is, like legit. It's super soft, super duper soft. Get the ends, get the ends, get the ends, get the ends. So let's comb it now. By the way, that bottle literally only has water, a little bit of oil, and leave-in conditioner. Has no gel, no styling product, nothing. Okay. And this is what we have. So this is what it looks like wet versus what it looks like dry on this side. Super duper easy to detangle. And I'm gonna take it off just so I can show you guys how to put it on. Whoa, I don't know what I look like right now, but let me see. Okay. So we're gonna put it on. Basically, this is what the inside of the headband wig looks like. This is the back, and this is where you Velcro it together. I suggest you actually Velcro it before you put it on because it's a little bit difficult to Velcro it after. And then at the back, it has a comb. Has a comb at the back, has a comb at the front, and it has combs at the side. Okay, so how I do it is I Velcro the back, and then I hold the back, the Velcro part, to make sure it's underneath my bump at the back. Because I have a bump, because you know, if you have hair, usually it has to gather somewhere, right? And then I use this comb, and I put it in my hair up here. And then once I have that in the back, I take the back comb while pulling down the sides, and I put it in the back. And then sometimes I put the side one in just to make sure it's extremely secure, but I'm not gonna do that here. But this is the hair. As far as texture goes, just how it looks is super duper pretty. I would give it about an 8 out of 10. Tangle, very rarely tangles, super duper easy to detangle. I would give it a, I would give it probably an 8 again. As far as shedding, it's really, I don't know how to rate shedding. It's very minimal, and I'm used to a lot of shedding, so that says a lot. The suit is so easy to detangle. I do want to say though that when I washed it, I had a lot of like brown residue coming from it. I don't know what that has to do with, but if you guys want something super duper easy to put on, you can't do the lace if your edges are suffering, okay? If you have no edges like I don't, if your edges are suffering, a headband wig is the way to go. I think it's so convenient, guys. Like, I think this is the best decision I ever made in my life. I don't be dramatic, but listen, the lace wigs, it doesn't take that long, but it's so easy to mess up. And when you mess up, yo, sometimes when I mess up the wig, I rip it off of my head, and I'm losing edges, I'm losing hairs, and it's just not good because naturally I have thin hair. So imagine when I'm ripping my hair out, how much more thinner it's a get, you know? So I love this, and it's practically like just damp at this point, and I can still comb through it. Let's see if we could comb through this side. I didn't have no product, absolutely no product, and look, I'm combing through it. Y'all see me combing through it, right? Oh wait, I gotta add product because now I'm gonna look crazy. Oh shit, I wet my edges. Because you know you cannot comb curly hair unless it's damp or because you're gonna create an afro. I think you know that. Most people know that. Because we usually got curly hair, black people. Guys, I love it. $109, 26 inches. This texture, this quality, you cannot beat it. I am in no way affiliated with the company or anything like that. I didn't put a lot of water, that's why it's still kind of puffy, but I'm not in any way affiliated with the company. I just really like this wig, and most wigs I don't like. I have a lot to say about a lot of companies, and I can't wait to make a video about it, but I do love this, and this is one of the wigs I can say I feel like it's going to last. I'm not gonna dye this wig. I usually like jet black hair. I don't like the brown look, but I don't mind it with this wig because it's so cool, and I don't want to frig it up by dyeing it black and then I say, oh, the hair is horrible, because you know I dyed it, so I can't really say anything. Dyeing shouldn't really affect it that much, but it just means more when you have the hair is in its natural state and you're making a commentary on it. Okay, this is it again. So pretty. Imagine when I put some gel. Can't wait. I cannot wait, yo. I cannot wait to put some gel in. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. Like so pretty. So pretty. I'm gonna give you guys some close up of the curls. Just spray it with a lot. Oh, I'm messing up my damn. I hope I'm not messing up my camera. So I sprayed it with a lot of water. This is what it looks like, super duper wet, right? Super duper wet. Looks super duper natural. This could be coming out of my scalp. It could have come out of my scalp. Look funny. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Go get you this Aliexpress wig, $109. You cannot beat $100 26-inch wig. You just cannot. It's like phenomenal. So go ahead and get you guys this, and let me know what you guys think below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see in future videos. Okay, have a nice night, guys. Bye.